To sew the bottom part of the shell to the top part, match each stitch on the rim of the bottom piece to a post of a single stitch on the top. Insert your needle under the post of the stitch right under the two legs. Turn your work so it's easier to insert the needle. Pull the yarn through completely, then guide the needle into the same stitch on the rim of the belly under the front loop only, going from outside in. Insert the needle under the front loop of the next stitch on the rim of the belly, then immediately under the post of the next stitch on the body. Continue sewing, matching stitch to stitch, bottom part to top part. Add some stuffing before closing the last few stitches if needed. Now sew the shell to the body. Place the shell on top of the body, a little closer to the bottom so a small tail shows. Look at the spot where the yarn tail comes out of the shell. Insert your needle into the body right at that spot, matching that stitch on the body. Guide the needle out near the tail on the back. Then guide it back up into the shell from underneath and out through any stitch on the shell. Make a stitch over one stitch on the body and guide the needle out on the other side. Make another stitch over one stitch on the body and guide the needle out at the bottom of the shell. Go through the other side of the body, only through one layer. Then insert it back into the shell. Move your working yarn toward the top of the body so you can attach this area and shape the snail. Guide the needle out where you want to enter the body again, matching the point between the shell and the body. Go through the body only through one layer. And insert your needle back into the shell. This keeps your stitches hidden. Now place the eyes. Put the first eye somewhere between rounds 1 and 3. Once you choose the spot, insert the needle right under the eye, where the yarn tail matches the stitch on the body. Guide the needle out under the place where you want to enter back into the eye. Then guide the needle through the eye and tighten the yarn to secure it. Guide the needle through the body and tighten it again. Adjust the placement, remove the needle, and sew the second eye the same way. Guide the yarn tails out of the same stitch and tie them together. Cut the extra yarn tails. Push the knot inside the body. Just the smile left.